Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Hello. Today we are going to study last module professional development for financial analysts of Financial Analyst. Effective communication skills for financial analysts. Effective communication skills are crucial for financial analysts as they play a key role in presenting complex financial information, conveying insights, and influencing decision-making. Here are some important communication skills. For financial analysts, clarity and conciseness. Clearly and concisely articulate complex financial concepts in a way that is easily understandable to non-financial stakeholders. Avoid jargon and use simple, straightforward language to communicate effectively. Active listening. Actively listen to stakeholders to understand their needs, concerns, and objectives. Pay attention to verbal and nonverbal cues. Ask clarifying questions and demonstrate empathy to build rapport and ensure effective communication. Tailoring the message. Adapt your communication style and message to suit the specific audience. Customize the level of detail. Use appropriate examples and highlight key insights that are relevant to the stakeholders' interests and objectives. Visual communication. Utilize charts, graphs, and other visual aids to present financial data in a visually appealing and easily understandable format. Visual communication enhances the clarity and impact of your message, making it easier for stakeholders to grasp complex information. Storytelling. Use storytelling techniques to effectively convey financial insights and analysis. Weave a narrative around the data, connecting the numbers to real-world implications and conveying the significance of the findings. Confidence and presence. Demonstrate confidence and establish a professional presence when presenting financial information. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and speak with a clear and confident voice. Projecting confidence helps instill trust and credibility in your communication. Nonverbal communication. Pay attention to your body language, facial expressions, and gestures. Maintain an open and attentive posture. Use appropriate hand movements to emphasize key points. And be mindful of your nonverbal cues to enhance your overall communication effectiveness. Emotional intelligence. Understand and manage your emotions while communicating. Be aware of your own biases. Remain calm and composed, and respond appropriately to different emotional reactions from stakeholders. Emotional intelligence helps foster productive and collaborative communication. Feedback and adaptability. Be open to feedback and continuously improve your communication skills. Seek feedback from stakeholders on the clarity and effectiveness of your communication, and be willing to adapt and refine your approach based on their input. Transparency and integrity. Maintain transparency and uphold ethical standards in your communication. Present information accurately. Acknowledge limitations or uncertainties when necessary, and ensure stakeholders have a clear understanding of the assumptions and risks associated with the financial analysis. Developing strong communication skills as a financial analyst not only enhances your ability to convey financial information effectively, but also builds trust and credibility with stakeholders. Continuous practice. Self-awareness and a willingness to learn and adapt are key to improving your communication skills over time. Developing strategic thinking and problem-solving abilities. Presentation techniques and data visualization are essential skills for financial analysts to effectively convey complex information and insights. Here are some key considerations: structure and organization. Plan your presentation with a clear structure, including an introduction, main points, supporting evidence, and a conclusion. This helps stakeholders follow the flow of your presentation and understand the key messages. Engaging opening. Start your presentation with an attention-grabbing opening to captivate your audience. This could be a thought-provoking question, a relevant anecdote, or a compelling statistic. That sets the stage for the rest of the presentation. Visual design. Utilize visual design principles to create visually appealing and professional-looking slides. Use consistent fonts, colors, and layouts throughout your presentation. Avoid clutter and ensure that visuals are clear and easy to read. Data visualization. Use charts, graphs, and infographics to visually represent complex financial data. Choose the appropriate visualization type, e.g., bar charts, line charts, pie charts based on the nature of the data and the insights you want to convey. Ensure that the visualizations are accurate, label clearly, and provide meaningful context. Simplify complex concepts. Break down complex financial concepts into simpler terms and use relatable examples or analogies to help stakeholders grasp the information. Avoid using excessive jargon or technical terms that may confuse or alienate your audience. Storytelling with data. Frame your financial analysis within a narrative. To engage and connect with your audience, structure your presentation as a story with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Use data to support the narrative and highlight key insights or trends that drive the story. Forward. Focus on key messages. Identify the key messages or takeaways you want to convey and emphasize them throughout your presentation. Use clear and concise language to articulate these messages and reinforce them with supporting evidence. From your analysis, interactivity, and engagement, incorporate interactive elements such as quizzes, polls, or discussions to actively engage your audience. Encourage questions, feedback, and participation to foster a dynamic and collaborative environment. Practice and rehearsal. Practice your presentation multiple times to ensure fluency and confidence. And delivering the content. Rehearse your timing, transitions between slides, and responses to potential questions or challenges. Flexibility and adaptability. Be prepared to adapt your presentation based on the needs and reactions of your audience. Stay flexible and responsive to their feedback and adjust your delivery or emphasis accordingly. Effective presentation techniques and data visualization skills enable financial analysts to communicate complex financial information in a compelling and accessible manner by structuring presentations effectively, utilizing visual aids, and engaging stakeholders through storytelling. Analysts can enhance understanding, engagement, and the impact of their presentations. Building a successful career as a financial analyst. Building a successful career as a financial analyst requires a combination of technical expertise, continuous learning, strong analytical skills, and effective communication. Here are some key steps to consider: education and qualifications. Obtain a solid educational foundation in finance, accounting, economics, or a related field. Consider pursuing certifications such as the Chartered Financial Analyst (CFA) or Certified Financial Planner (CFP) to enhance your credentials and demonstrate expertise. Technical skills. Develop strong technical skills in financial analysis, data analysis, financial modeling, and relevant software tools such as Excel, financial databases, and data visualization platforms. Stay updated with industry trends and best practices. Analytical abilities. Hone your analytical skills to interpret financial data, conduct financial modeling, and perform valuation and risk analysis. Develop a strong understanding of financial statements, ratios, and key performance indicators to derive meaningful insights. Industry knowledge. Stay informed about industry trends, economic developments, and market dynamics that impact the sectors you are interested in. This includes monitoring news, industry reports, and attending conferences or seminars to deepen your understanding. Networking. Build a strong, professional network within the finance industry. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and connect with colleagues, mentors, and industry experts. Networking can provide valuable opportunities for career advancement and knowledge sharing. Continuous learning. Commit to continuous learning and professional development. Stay updated with industry research, attend training programs, pursue advanced certifications, and engage in relevant courses or workshops to expand your skills. And stay ahead of industry changes. Communication and presentation skills. Enhance your communication skills, both written and verbal, to effectively convey complex financial information to diverse audiences. Develop proficiency in data visualization and presentation techniques to create impactful and engaging presentations. Proactive attitude and initiative. Take initiative. Seek challenging assignments and demonstrate a proactive approach to problem solving and learning. Look for opportunities to contribute to cross-functional projects. Take on additional responsibilities and showcase your abilities, professionalism, and ethics. Maintain high standards of professionalism, integrity, and ethical conduct. Uphold confidentiality, adhere to industry regulations, and demonstrate ethical decision-making in your work. Mentorship and career guidance. Seek out mentors or senior professionals in the field who can provide guidance, support, and insights into career progression. Their experience and advice can help you navigate challenges, identify opportunities, and accelerate your growth. Remember, building a successful career as a financial analyst takes time and dedication. Continuously develop your skills, seek diverse experiences, and demonstrate a commitment to delivering high-quality work by leveraging your expertise, staying adaptable to changing market dynamics, and fostering professional relationships. You can advance in your career as a financial analyst. Continuous learning and professional growth. Continuous learning and professional growth are vital for individuals seeking to excel in their careers and stay relevant in an ever-evolving professional landscape. Here are some key points to consider for continuous learning and professional growth. Embrace a growth mindset. Adopt a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Believe in your ability to develop new skills, expand your knowledge, and adapt to new challenges. Embracing a growth mindset enables you to view obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning. Set learning goals. Define specific learning goals that align with your career aspiration and interests. These goals can include acquiring new technical skills, expanding industry knowledge, improving communication abilities, or developing leadership competencies. Setting clear goals provides focus and direction for your learning journey. Seek learning opportunities. Actively seek out learning opportunities within your organization, such as training programs, workshops, and seminars. Additionally, explore external resources like online courses, webinars, conferences, and industry events. Engage in self-study and leverage educational platforms to access a wide range of learning materials. Apply learning to real-world situations. Apply the knowledge and skills you acquire to real-world situations in your work. Seek opportunities to implement new techniques, contribute to challenging projects, and tackle complex problems. Practical application enhances your understanding and reinforces learning. Reflect and evaluate. Regularly reflect on your learning experiences and evaluate your progress against your learning goals. Identify areas where you have grown and areas that require further development. Adjust your learning strategy, and set new goals based on self-reflection and feedback. Share knowledge and mentor others as you acquire knowledge and expertise. Share your insights with others. Actively engage in knowledge-sharing activities within your organization. And industry mentorship opportunities not only benefit others but also solidify your own understanding and expertise. Continuous learning and professional growth are ongoing processes that require commitment, curiosity, and a proactive mindset. By embracing learning opportunities, staying informed, seeking feedback, and applying knowledge in practical contexts, you can continuously evolve and excel in your professional journey.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.